Sure, that were a big one. Hello everybody, thanks and welcome to the bush here. You know, we get a lot of people that come tour here, like tourists, but from other countries, But just some word of advice, if you don't know what you're bloody talking about, if you don't know aminos, then rather not say anything, okay? Not like the guy I had here the other day, he's from Texas, Howdy neighbor, we was wondering when we're going to see the lions, because we love lions. They're such ferocious animals, and they got this great big mane with them, and great humongous teeth, and these paws with these nails that come out. That are not a lion, my broer, okay? That are a leon, okay, a leeu, okay, and that are not a mane. It are called groot hare. And this are called die pote. It'll cut you, and it'll gaff you per face with its nails. And you'll kill you till you die from it, And then you get people like from Scotland, Right, welcome to South Africa, mate. We're just down here, just taking a wander through the wild, and everything's fantastic and great and just enjoyable. But please tell me, where would we find porcupines? I like porcupines. Porcupines are my favourite animal in the world. I don't know where I get these things from. It are not a porcupine, okay? It are called the iron pig. Okay, get it right, okay? Why you rrr so much, With every word here, you're not Afrikaans, you're Scottish. What is this? Right, huh? You sound like a Mr. Delivery scooter that doesn't want to start there. Or then you get the people from, hello everybody, welcome to South Africa. My favorite animal is the camelos. Do you like the camelos? You know what, you're from India, but it's great that you know that they are called the camels, However, what are this? What are this? You don't shake your cup like that. You look like this little mannetjies you put about a dashboard. You just keep it still like this and say, welcome to South Africa. And let us go look at the camelos. See, it look prettier, It even make your face look pretty. Okay. And then you get the kindness. Die klein varkies en die klein beeste en die olifante. My kinders, okay. Walk around with a tissue because I can't handle the snot coming by your nose now, okay? I'll do the talking, okay? In any case, guys, you must have a lucky day, okay? Thanks.